Hey, Carl.
What?
Get off the phone. It's time to start taping.
Oh, geez, thank you. Okay.
Chef Carl, food whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
I'm Chef Carl. Welcome to my home. And today we'll be making grilled ribeye steaks with sautéed portobello and snow mushrooms I cooked in Burgundy, butter, and garlic. And a jumbo stuffed baked potato with sour cream cheese, chives, and lots of butter. So let's get it rolling here. These are the baked potatoes, and I cooked them about 10 minutes in the microwave, oiled them with olive oil, and put a little salt on. We're going to put these on the grill for about 6 to 8 minutes first while we're seasoning the steaks. So come on. Woohoo! All right, this grill is like smoking hot. So we got the potatoes on the grill, and we're going to season up the ribeyes with a little olive oil, salt, and cracked black pepper. I don't wear gloves because I break off while I have these sanitizer wipes, so no letters, please. So these ribeye steaks are about a pound a piece. Some of these are a little over a pound. I think these are like a pound and a quarter. And what I'm going to do is sprinkle liberally salt. I never salt ahead of time because salt draws moisture and we don't want to lose moisture. And some nice cracked black pepper. And I know it looks like a lot, but you'll be amazed. It really isn't that strong. Yeah, don't be bashful when you're seasoning. These are thick steaks. Even my little doggy is standing out here waiting for a steak, but she ain't gonna get any. Maybe the fat. Okay, we're gonna take these over to the grill. So, these are the steaks, and I'm putting them on my nice smoking hot grill, and we're going to cook them about medium rare medium, and it's going to take about 6 to 8 minutes, depending. A couple of these are thicker than the other ones. Let's see if I can do this without burning myself. These are starting to brown up nicely. Okay, oh, that's hot. Oh. Always use the pot holders. That's what they're for. Okay, these are looking pretty good. This steak is a little thinner, so I'm going to pull this steak now. Give it a couple more minutes. So I think we'll pull off the baked potatoes, flip the steaks one more time, and we should be ready. And we'll get those mushrooms off. And the skin on these potatoes is nice and crispy. Like I said, olive oil and a little bit of salt, coarse salt. Oh yeah, diamonds are the girl's best friend and the man's best friend. And stir these mushrooms up a little bit. And these steaks feel nice. They got a little bit of bounce to them. That means they're medium rare-ish. We're going to let them sit. Nice. And of course, last but not least, the mushrooms. They're bubbling. They're hot. Whoa, that handle's hot. Woohoo! We're going to take those off, put on the side. We're going to start to get ready to eat. Always work with a sharp knife. And I say this all the time. You don't want to hear. You want to. Hey there, how are you doing? Oh, okay, so that's why I'm not a singer. So let this rest a couple minutes. Alright, so this thicker one is kind of rare to medium rare, but if it sits, it's going to get more medium rare. And you can see the juice. Wow. Alright, so we got our baked potato. You can see the steam coming off. A little baba. I guess I should put the mushrooms on next, and then the sour cream and stuff. Alright. So we got nice soft butter, lots of butter, don't spare the butter. Things are better with butter. Shredded cheddar, mozzarella cheese, lots of sour cream, don't be bashful. And I picked these chives this morning and I chopped them, so fresh chives. And there you got it. Medium rare ribeye steaks, hand cut. Stuffed baked potatoes with butter, sour cream, chives, cheddar, and mozzarella cheese. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer. I ask you to, if you would, please subscribe and ring the bell. The bell will tell you when a new video is coming out. Leave a comment. And if you want, check out Mike's Everyday BBQ on YouTube. He's the guy that got me started doing this. So for today, that's it. Be safe, be healthy, be nice, be kind, and just be. A la da 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 da. Boom.